Hey, it's Phil. In this affiliate marketing email sequence tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set up a 5-part email sequence for an affiliate product that you're an affiliate for. So if you want to set up your own affiliate sequence, make sure you stick around until the end. Now, just before we get into it, if you are new to affiliate marketing, I've also got my free affiliate training. This is going to talk about the 3 steps to actually getting success with affiliate marketing. Or if you're someone that's really serious about succeeding with affiliate marketing, I've also got my school community, which hosts full courses, templates, tutorials, as well as the thriving community aspect. So if you want to join that and start actually following step by step what you need to do, make sure you check that out. Links are in the description. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. So first of all, in order for this to work, you need to have an affiliate program so you can actually make some money recommending it. And you also need to have a lead generation funnel. Now, if you haven't got either of those set up, I've also shot videos for both of those, so I'll link them down below as well. But what we want to do once we're inside of here is actually put in a quite specific prompt to actually show the results that we're trying to get. So what I would recommend you do is, first of all, for this example, I'm just going to use Go High Level as the affiliate product. If you don't know what it is, it's basically an all-in-one marketing platform, but it's one of my favorite ones out there. That's why I keep talking about it. So inside here, what I'm going to say is I am an affiliate for Go High Level, and I'm looking at creating a 5-part email series, and you can actually use this for over 5 emails as well. Email series showcasing some of the best features inside of Go High Level. Now what I want to do inside of here is, let's just pretend we created a lead generation funnel. We're giving something away for free, which actually complements Go High Level. So I'm going to say in the first email, I just want to deliver a lead magnet, which in this case is a guide showing how to convert more customers with copywriting, right? And this is actually an ebook I used AI to create in a previous video. I'll link down to that below as well. But what I'm going to say is, so in the first email, I just want to deliver a lead magnet, which is in this case is a guide showing them how to convert more customers with copywriting. So in the first email, just deliver that ebook. And in the following 4 emails, can you talk about what they would be missing out on if they didn't actually get Go High Level? And then I might just put a little blurb in here, and you can word this however you want. Ideally, we want to talk about the pain points people face if they aren't using Go High Level, like integration issues, and this comes down to actually knowing that the product that you're an affiliate for, like integration issues, also not knowing where your customers are coming from, and also missing out on phone calls and SMS messages. Can you talk about those in the emails? Right, so you can kind of see what I'm doing inside of here. I'm stating what I want. The first email, I'm saying I want to just deliver the lead magnet, not really talk about the product that I'm actually an affiliate for, which in this case is Go High Level. Then I want to say inside of here, can you create the 4 emails, talk about what they miss out on if they don't actually get it. And we want to talk basically about the pain points people face if they aren't using Go High Level. And honestly, this is kind of one of the best ways to market affiliate products. And I've got the correct prompt that I use inside of my school community if you want to actually get the one that I personally use. But basically, this is just going to spit out a single problem for each email, and this is going to be the 5-part series. So let's see what it comes up with. And honestly, this just makes it such a breeze. So first email, delivering the lead magnet. Here's your free copywriting guide. As promised, here's your on how to convert more customers with copywriting. You can download it here, real easy. Now the second email, the pain of disconnected tools. Did you see, like in the prompt, I talked about some of the reasons people always move to Go High Level. In fact, that's the reason I moved there, is because the disconnection between all of your different software. So this is basically directly talking about that pain point. So if someone's facing this current issue, this is going to get their attention. So that talks about the disconnected tools. Next one talks about not knowing where your customers are coming from. Next one is missed calls, which is a massive seller for Go High Level. And then talking about why businesses stick with it. So honestly, it's as simple as this to create an email sequence. So what I'm going to do is bring up a tool to show you how fast and easy it is to drop these inside of an email sequence. Okay, so here is the tool that I actually created the lead gen funnel with on the last video. This is called System. It's free to use. You just need to bring, of course, your own domain and your own professional email address. So I've created this first email inside of the email campaign. So this first one here, we can actually edit it using the template that it gave us. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and actually copy this entire text just before hi first name. Just going to come inside here and paste it in like so. I'll make all of the text the same type, which is pretty good. That looks pretty good. I'm happy with that. And then what I'm going to do is download your copy here. This is obviously where you'll put in your lead magnet. So I'll just put, you can download it here. Okay. And I'll just highlight the text, click on link and just put in, for this example, philwilson.co. Okay. Click check and then just change your name. And boom, that's the first email actually done. Now, of course, you can change around the sizing, the fonts, all that sort of good stuff. I'm just going to keep it as is. So I'm going to click save here. Okay, and first email's done. Now, what we're going to do is go ahead and duplicate it. In fact, I'll just start a new one to show you the entire process. So email 2, right? Are your tools talking to each other, right? Paste it in here like so. And I'm just going to choose classic editor for the sake of speed. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is copy this email here. Right, piece of cake. And honestly, without ChatGPT or AI tools, this would take forever. So I'm going to put, hey, on the right, we've got substitutions. So we can actually put in these little codes and it's going to replace it with the person's information. So if I put in here, first name, this is going to replace first name with their actual first name that they enter. So if it's Bob, it's going to say, hey, Bob. Okay, so hey, first name, and then paste in this info. Now what we can do here is change, of course, the sign-off name. And what I'm going to say is inside here, where is it recommending I put the link? Imagine one login, this one here. Okay. So I'll just highlight this text, click on the link, right? And I'll just get my high level link. I think it's this one here. Okay. And I'll paste it in like so. Click on check. Boom. That one's done. Now to publish it, what we need to do is at the top right, hover on that little down arrow, click save and publish. Choose one day, so it goes one day after the last one, and then put in the email there. Okay, piece of cake. Okay, so we'll click on exit. So now we've already got 2 emails in our email campaign, right? And honestly, it's just as easy as this. You just create the emails, make sure you got the lead magnet, and it's done. Now, if you wanted to tweak it a little bit, right, you obviously get the idea of how to actually do all of these steps inside of it. What we can do is just say, hey, that was pretty good. That was a good start. Can we make it slightly more aggressive? So if someone is actually feeling the pinch in these emails, you will be the person who makes it a no-brainer to join. Right? So if you want to be an aggressive type of affiliate marketer, this is a good way of actually doing it. So what he's going to do is say, I understand what you're trying to say. Let's actually rewrite it once again. So that's kind of how you create your email sequence for affiliate marketing. The first one is always delivering the promise that you're actually giving someone. In this case, I was giving them a free ebook that I created using AI, talking about converting more customers with copywriting. And then the emails after that are going to be the ones that actually push the affiliate offer, which was kind of the main idea of getting those leads. So realistically, you could create an infinite amount of emails for a singular affiliate product. And if you're on like a mega sniper hunt to actually get as much commissions as possible in that program, then that might be a good option. But realistically, what you could do instead of just bombarding them with information about this one product, they're probably going to unsubscribe at some time. Think about complementary products that actually help with the original reason that they opted in. So for this example, people opted in for a free copywriting guide, how they could get more conversions. So what other tools could I sort of recommend, or other types of products could I recommend that would also be something attractive to this person? So if you think about it, it's talking about conversions, talking about copy. They're probably talking about sales pages. I could talk about sales page builders or things like deadline funnels, which they probably don't know about. I could talk about those little social proof boxes that you can add to sales pages, which actually convert more people. It's proven fact. Or we could talk about other types of copywriting products out there as well. So there is really an array of what you can actually do and what you can actually share inside of your email campaign. So I would generally do sort of 5 to 7 emails max on a certain product. If they haven't purchased, they're probably not interested. But instead of just leaving them to be an unsubscribed person, I could actually start thinking about what other products can I share to these people. And honestly, the hardest part is getting their name and email into your email list. So why not optimize it to get the most amount of conversions? So we talked about a lot of things inside of this video. Hopefully I haven't overwhelmed you. Once again, if you want to get the full step-by-step, start to finish with an affiliate campaign, make sure you join my school community. Honestly, it's got so much training, tutorials, and templates. Everyone is absolutely getting insane results in there. So I've left the link to it down below. But that's it for this video. I hope you got value from it. Once again, affiliate marketing email sequences. Go ahead, smash it out yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.